Welcome to reimagination.com. Today I am teaching you how to make halter neck design. Okay, this is halter neck design I am making, and I applied this golden stones or beads lace. So let's start with today's tutorial. Firstly, please do subscribe if you didn't yet, and there is bell with subscribe button. Click on that so that you will get all notification in your email ID, and I post daily, so keep watching daily. So for this, cross peg is normal, like in normal case we keep it 14 inches. Okay, and I just gave the shape on the neckline. I kept it almost half inches toward the inner side. So shoulder measurement is simple in this. For this you have to take a bukram like this. This is the bukram, and fold it half away. I require total width of my neckline 6 inches. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 inches. After folding I require 3 inches. And see, I am making my neckline design. From top I require half inches margin. See, lengthwise from top I require half inches margin. So for top, this is for top turning. After that I am willing to make my neckline 6.5 inches lengthwise. Okay, so I marked here, and after that I want half inches extra margin. Okay, and then I am going to make all measurements. Draw a draft of neckline on this bukram. For this, from here, this is the 3 inches. From here I want to keep inside half inches for this neckline, because this is halter neck design. Okay, at 3 inches I marked it like this. Okay, and I am going slant in this fashion. Okay, to what extent you have to go slant? See, if my required length is 6.5, so half of 6.5 is almost 3.5. Till half of required neckline I have to draw this slant line. After that I am going to make a curve like we make in normal neck designs. Okay, so after that we are going to make circular shape like this. So now we are able to draw a draft. After that, on all sides keep half inches of margin, half inches extra. See, this is my neckline and I have to keep half inches extra. This is from top till half of required neckline, and after that we gave this C shape. Okay, on sides I require half inches extra and mark it like this, as I am marking here. Okay, and now we have to cut this and this. So take scissor and cut this. After cutting, we have this cloth on which I want to make this neck design. This is extra cloth. Okay, and then I keep this neckline and its middle part like this, so that I'll be able to mark and keep it correctly. After that, my bukram is pastable, so I iron it. If in your case it is not pastable, then you can insert pins all over here, or you can do rough stitch all over here. Okay, now after that we are going to remove the middle part. Now in this fashion we are able to keep it correctly at correct place. Now just iron it like this. Okay, and remember to keep half inches margin toward all sides. And now take scissor. Toward the outer side I am keeping half inches of margin. See, and cut it. After cutting, make small cuts so that it will be easily turnable. It will become easily turnable. See, after that you require your dress or blouse, or this is the front side of right side of cloth. This is right side of cloth, and after that I marked center point all over and applied center notch on neckline and the cloth. Okay, after applying this center point, see, after applying this center point, join these both, and now I am going to apply pins. So just apply pin, or you can do rough stitch. See, I am applying the pin. After that this is right side of cloth toward each other, right side of both clothes toward each other. So remember, this bukram side is toward my side. Okay, now go to sewing machine and sew on this point like I am showing with my nails. See, sew all over this neckline till end. You are not going to sew on the cloth, you are not going to sew on the buckram, you are sewing at this middle point as I am showing with my nails. Okay, so just sew this much. Now see, after sewing we are going to remove these pins and now cut after leaving small margin like I am cutting toward the inner side of this neckline. See, this is I am cutting, remember, and then we are going to make small cuts all over the neckline. Remember, you should not cut the thread which you stitched on the sewing machine. Okay, it means do not cut the stitch. You are cutting you are making small cuts on the cloth only. So carefully cut it all over, because these small cuts give more finishing to the neckline and make it turnable easily. After that, just turn this all buckram toward the wrong side. Now from front side, right side, our neckline is more finished. See, I am turning it, and after keep turning it, just iron it with the help of press. After ironing this neckline is very finished, and I am going to apply this golden lace. For this golden lace, see, this is the golden beads. These are the golden beads, and I am going to apply it on the neckline. Remember, I just removed beads almost for almost 1 inch from above. Okay, so just do rough stitch. If you are very beginner, it is always advisable to do rough stitch. Okay, because it will give more finishing to your neckline, or otherwise you can apply pins as well. So see, I am just doing rough stitch and then I will sew this on sewing machine. See, I am doing rough stitch after applying this lace carefully, and just apply this till another end. For beginners, it is advisable to do rough stitch. Just go to sewing machine and sew it. Now after sewing it, it is looking like this and it's ready. Now we have this back panel. Okay, this is the back panel of your blouse or kurti. Okay, and then just make slant line a half inches over here, and slant line you require 3 inches because my neck's width is 3 inches. Now cut this slant. Lengthwise I kept it half inches and widthwise I kept it 3 inches. Now after cutting, this is the panel. This is right side of my back panel, and keep right side of front panel toward this. It means right side of both panels are toward each other. And now we are going to sew its cross back, and in Hindi we call it tira. Okay, after joining this, I am inserting the pins, and then go to sewing machine, leaving half inches of margin, sew its cross back and sew another cross back after leaving half inches of margin. See, after joining, it is looking like so, and we have to apply this halter neck collar. We call this Chinese collar or half collar. So see, how do we measure required collar? So from here, mark at 1 inches down. From another side, mark at 1 inches down, and then we are going to measure this collar. Here I am telling you how to measure any type of half collar or Chinese collar. See carefully. After marking half inches down, now just measure from one side like this. See, I am measuring and measure till this 1 inches down. This is 8.25 in my case. Okay, so just take a buckram like this. Now here we are going to apply this, mark this. Lengthwise I take 8.25 inch as I measured. Now fold it half away. After folding, lengthwise I require this collar 1 inches. So mark it like this. Okay, so now from this open side, half of 1 inches is, see, this is 1 inches widthwise, and half of 1 inches is half inch. So after half inch, make this shape. This is the boat shape toward downside. Okay, from this point half inches, measure 1 inch above. After measuring 1 inch above, again we are going to make boat shape toward the upper side. This is how we measure all type of half necklines, collars. Okay, half collars. So this is 1 inch like this, half inch toward downside. We made this boat shape. Now join this in this fashion. I am joining circular motion. Okay, and then this is the neckline we are able to make with collar. Just cut it. See, I am cutting it with the help of scissor. Here we gave this boat shape on the corners like this. Okay, remember the lower part is for bottom and it will remain at the bottom. We are going to apply this like this. So I am just marking here that it comes toward the bottom side. See, I am marking so that I will not forget at the later stage. For this you require two clothes like 1 and 2 for this collar, and keep right side of these clothes toward each other. Just keep this collar bukram and iron it. If your cloth is not ironable, your bukram is not ironable, you can do rough stitch or insert pins. Just iron it. I am ironing this collar. After ironing, you have these two clothes, right side of both are toward each other, and now go to sewing machine. See carefully, this is bottom part and it will remain open. Okay, now you are going to sewing machine, sew from here, sew it and sew all over here, and come another side and sew till here only. Okay, you are not going to sew at the bottom because it will remain open. Now after sewing, I am going to cut after leaving half inches of margin toward all sides. See, this is the round shape and I am giving here round shape after leaving half inches of margin. Just cut the extra cloth like this. On the bottom side as well, I am going to cut after leaving half inches of margin. See, I am cutting, and now it is openable. Just unfold it, it will become its right side. It will come toward its right side. After opening, just iron it to give it more finishing. After giving it more finishing, we have to take this cloth. This is our cloth and right side of our neckline. So I measured here, marked here center point of cloth and my neckline, my collar, and after joining these both center points, just pin it like this. Okay, and take it like this toward this side like so, and now go to sewing machine at the corner from where we started the stitch. Just apply another pin and go to sewing machine. From this corner start sewing like so. Sew it at all over here till another end. See, it will come down 1 inch as we marked like so, and sew it till here after leaving this much margin. See, after sewing it, we have to give it final finishing. For final finishing, keep all extra cloth toward the inner side, toward the bukram side. See, how do I do it? Just keep all extra cloth toward the inner side, and from here as well turn it like this toward inner side, the top cloth toward the inner side like I am doing, and it will become more finished neckline. Just turn it all toward inner side toward the bukram, all extra cloth, and then turn the top part, top cloth, this one half inches toward the inner side, and then go to sewing machine and sew on all over here. Sew it like so, and we are going to keep all extra cloth toward the inner side and sewing on the sewing machine. See, turn it all like this and turn half inches from here like so, and go to sewing machine and sew on the corners. It will become more finished and professional collar. See, at the end as well you are going to turn extra cloth toward the inner side and turn the top cloth half inches, and go to sewing machine and sew on the corners like this. Okay, see, my neckline is ready. My halter neck design is ready with this Chinese collar, this half collar, and this is golden lace which I applied. It's looking very elegant and pretty. So keep watching niaimagination.com. Please do subscribe if you didn't yet, and ring the bell with subscribe button so that you will get all notification as and when I upload my new video. So next I am going to teach you the full gown, umbrella dress, full length umbrella dress. So keep watching. Please like, subscribe and join me on Swing Chat group. Share your making with me. Thank you.